Hello, Namaskar. The notes about the type of vectors and components of vector is given here. It is also very much related to the physics subject. So here it is written type of vector, zero vector. Zero vector means suppose at this point the direction of force vector F1 is in the x direction, and here at the same point P the direction of force vector F2 is in minus x direction. Then the net force acting at point P vector Fp is equal to vector F1 plus vector F2. We can write vector F1 plus vector F2. And if magnitude at this point vector F1 mod vector F1 is equal to mod vector F2, if magnitude is same and direction opposite, then vector Fp will be 0. So, 0 vector means which has 0 magnitude and no direction, 0 magnitude and no direction. So, resultant of 2 vectors or 3 vectors is 0, as well as direction also. There is no fixed direction for 0 vector. This 0 vector is also called null vector. Unit vector means suppose here we represent vector r. I write vector r. So, r unit vector, r cap, r unit vector is equal to vector r upon mod vector r. Mod vector r. This can be written as vector r upon r. So, r unit vector we call it the ratio of vector upon magnitude of itself. Say for x direction here the unit vector is I cap, I unit vector. For y direction, remember the unit vector is j cap, and for k direction unit vector is z direction, unit vector is k cap. So, here see unit vector along x direction. So, unit vector which has unit magnitude 1 unity, that is called unit vector, and it is in certain direction, like in x direction I cap, in y direction j cap, in z direction k cap. Now, equal vector. Two vectors are said to be equal if they have same magnitude and also direction will be same, like here two vector, vector A, vector B. These two vector can be said equal vector when vector A magnitude is equal to vector B magnitude, and direction and they are in same direction means they are parallel to each other in same direction. But in parallel vectors they have also in the same direction. Here I put here vector A and here I put here vector B, but magnitude is not equal. Here you see may be equal or may not be equal. Magnitude of two vectors in parallel may be equal, may not be equal, but for equal vector magnitude must be equal. So, we can say two equal vectors are parallel vectors, but two parallel vectors may not be equal vectors. Okay. Anti-parallel vectors, like here is vector A and here is opposite vector B, opposite direction. So, we can say vector A and vector B are anti-parallel. Now, next, orthogonal vector, as explained, they are mutually perpendicular. Here the direction is in this direction, here j cap, here k cap. So, I cap, j cap, k cap, both all three are mutually perpendicular, orthogonal vector. So, axis makes any two axis makes 90 degree with each other. Now, coplanar vector, coplanar means all vectors lie in the same plane. Now, very important component of vector, this is very important. Suppose we are taking in x direction, and it is very much useful in physics. All are useful, but this is very much useful. Suppose here we make vector r. So, what will be the component of vector r? Component means in x direction. If you draw perpendicular here, so this will be rx and this will be ry. So, we can write vector r is equal to rx I cap plus ry j cap, rx I cap plus ry j cap for vector r. In the same way, for vector A, we can write, suppose this is vector A making some angle theta. So, we can write vector A is equal to, you can also note down, ax I cap plus ay j cap. So, here ax will be a cos theta and ay will be a sin theta if we make perpendicular, draw perpendicular, and here is y axis and this one is x axis. And magnitude of vector A, here it is written, is equal to under root ax square plus ay square plus az square, that is coefficient of square of coefficient of I cap plus square of coefficient of j cap, that is ay, plus square of coefficient of k cap. So, this formula for finding the mod of vector A is very important, remember. Now, angle, suppose this vector is in this direction, vector A, and for x, y and z direction, x, y and z. So, vector A making angle theta, suppose, theta x with the x direction, theta y with the y direction, theta z will with the z direction. So, sometimes it is asked, find the angle made by vector A with the x direction, y direction and z direction. So, here theta x is equal to cos inverse formula ax upon a, where a is the magnitude of vector A. So, in this way here it is written cos theta x is equal to ax upon a, or theta x is equal to cos inverse ax upon a. Likewise, cos theta y ay upon a, or theta y is equal to cos inverse ay upon a. Cos theta z is equal to az upon a, or theta z is equal to this one. Now, homework question. Find the, here written question 1, find the magnitude of vector f. 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap Newton. So you can very easily find out, that is mod f is equal to under root coefficient of square of the coefficient of I plus square of the coefficient of j plus square of the coefficient of k, that is under root 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is under root 14. And also find the direction of vector f with y, that is theta y, cos inverse a y upon fy upon f, and fy is here minus 3 and f under root 14. So minus 3 upon 14, that is theta y cos inverse minus 3 upon 14, and theta z f z upon f, like that. Next question, if vector A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, B is equal to this one, then sum of the two vector, so add it. So I cap minus I cap 0, 2j plus j 3j cap minus k plus k 0, so answer will be 3j cap. And here A minus B, answer will be 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. If mod vector A, find also in part 3 mod vector A plus B. So mod vector A plus B is equal to 3, and direction of this vector C, if C is equal to this one, if vector C is equal to vector A plus B, here it is written this mod vector C. So if C is, you can correct here, if vector C is vector A plus vector B, correct here, vector A plus vector B in this part, then what will be the direction of vector C with y x. So I again write, if vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B, then cos theta y is equal to Cy upon C, and you know vector C is only 3j cap, we are getting vector C is equal to 3j cap. So Cy, that is component of vector C with j cap, it is 3 upon mod 3, that will be equal to 1. It means cos 0 is equal to cos 0 degree is equal to 1. It means angle is making 0 degree. Therefore, answer will be theta y will be equal to 0 degree. That is, vector C will be parallel to y axis or perpendicular to x axis. This is the answer. Thank you so much.